The enhanced appearance makes an impression on your professionalism to your cleaning and restoration customer. The Titan 325 matches your perseverance in delivering optimum performance to your customers. And best of all, the Titan 325 comes with better heat performance than ever. When you invest in a Titan 325, you're investing in a truck mount with a reliability and proven track record that only comes with owning a HydraMaster. The space-saving design takes up less cubic feet in your van or trailer. Its compact design is easy for new operators to learn how to achieve excellent results. And since it comes with the Hydra Clutch pump clutch standard, you're ready immediately for water damage restoration. Plus, you can do hard surface cleaning at 1000 psi with a quieter machine. The Hydra Clutch pump clutch allows the solution pressure side of the machine to be turned off while performing flood and water extraction with your truck mount. This reduces wear and protects key components of your machine. The primary advantage is that the machine does not require a water source to be connected to the machine to keep operating. With the pump turned off, the machine will not add water to the recovery tank, and it is no longer required to pump high pressure water to maintain internal temperatures. This allows for increased capacity in the recovery tank, maximizing your time in extracting water. This also enables the machine to be operated in any location, and it is not necessary to be near a fresh water source. The Titan 325 is powered by a Briggs & Stratton Industrial Vanguard engine, 18 horsepower of maximum power. It's also equipped with a competitor Tuthill SL3006 blower with hardened precision helical gears and dual oil bath design with oil level sight windows for easy maintenance. The high-pressure Comet pump operates up to 1000 psi, allowing you to clean carpet, upholstery, and hard surfaces. The new Titan 325 comes with an expanded fin-tubed heat exchange thermal accumulation system with 40% more heating capacity than before. This makes the Titan 325 the hottest machine in its class, and it's been tested against the competition. The Titan 325 comes to you with affordable value, but radical performance. Equipped with a Hydra Clutch, which makes it ideal for water extraction, and it's easy to maintain with a high level of reliability as you build your business. Best of all, the Titan 325 comes with the HydraMaster ownership experience, the industry's most comprehensive 2-year warranty. Industry truck mount mechanics tell us every day that HydraMaster's warranty protection is the very best in the industry. We stand behind what we build.